Hi, I'm Belle and welcome back to How to IT. So it's just been over 2 months after the Android 12L update. So how is the Surface Duo holding up? So the 12L update introduced a whole heap of bugs. The most debilitating of these bugs were the calls and text messages. Like, you couldn't receive them and you couldn't make a call coming out. You had to literally restart your phone to get these functions back. The others were the time clock just didn't update. So it would be stuck at 11 o'clock and it would have been like 3 p.m. in the afternoon sort of thing. Another problem was the notification panel wasn't actually refreshing either. If you look at the top here, that wasn't refreshing. You plugged the cord in to charge your battery, it wouldn't actually say that it's charging because that whole panel was not working. There was a lot of freezes and restart loop that people were experiencing, and the last really debilitating one was the alarms didn't work. So, I don't know for how long I've been using my phone as my alarm clock, and you set the alarm and it doesn't go off and then you're suddenly late to work. So yeah, really bad bugs. My experience with 12L, the UI is beautiful. I love the new UI. So the only bugs that I got was the call and receive bug. I went to call my mum, and the phone, there was no dial tone, no nothing. It was just silent, but it said it was calling, and I'm like, something's not quite right here. So yeah, I said, okay, what can I do? And so I tried to call someone else. I'm like, oh, maybe there's a network issue with her, or her phone's down, or it's busy and it's just not going through. But no, that wasn't the case. It was me. So yeah, I restarted my phone and it was fine. There was I think it only happened the day of the update, and I was fiddling with my phone all that day because something shiny, something new, and yeah, I went to call and text and nothing was going through, so I reset my phone and it worked like new again, and that was the only bug I had. It may be of note that I'm in Australia. I did get my phone recently, so maybe I didn't have some of the software update issues or something from previous generations or iterations, I mean. They're still not quite sure what brought on all these bugs, which is weird because people experience different issues when they were using the Android 12L update. So yeah, it's very weird, and they still don't know why. They did actually release an update in December that apparently fixed that bug for most people. I can't tell for sure what they actually did, or what they think it was. They haven't really released any information. But yeah, so I'm in Australia and I'm on the Vodafone network. So if that, I don't know if that helped my device, but yeah, I only had the messaging and calls bug for like a day and then it was done. So who knows? So I've continued to use this device as my daily driver all through the 12L experience, and I did have limited bugs, but I really think this is in a great place now. After the December update, it made things smoother, and yeah, I think this is really great for the Surface Duo users. I can't really say about Surface Duo 1 because I don't own one, but Surface Duo 2 is in a great place and I cannot wait to see where this goes. Well, thank you so much for watching and you guys have a fabulous day.